Heavy snow made by demons. Once upon a time, there was a rumor that a man-eating demon appeared in a place called Kinomoto Jinfuki Prefecture. One day, a drug seller came from a place called Shinbo Village in Toyama Prefecture. I thought I could do a good business because no medicine seller would go near Kinome Pass due to the rumor of a man-eating demon. Well, it's around here, there are man-eating demons. When the medicine seller was walking cautiously, a man-eating demon who suddenly appeared from behind picked up the medicine seller with a big hand. He's a bad person, but it's better than being hungry. It was when the man-eating demon said so and was about to eat the medicine seller. The drug seller quickly shouted loudly, "Poison is flowing in my body." "What? Poison? But poison, etc. I can't be a demon." "Then you should try it. My poison is a deadly poison that kills even bears." "No, no, no, no." So the man-eating demon had no choice but to say to the medicine seller, "Then, I'll allow you to eat. Instead, give me the medicine that will make you the strongest in Japan." "Okay, let's apply the strongest ointment in Japan." The medicine seller took the chili powder out of the back load and dissolved it in water, and smeared it on the demon's back. Wah! The peppers soaked out of the pores, and the cannibal screamed involuntarily. Be patient. Good medicine will be said to be painful in the mouth. But this is as if my back is on fire. Please, please help me. I can't help it, I'll apply painkillers. As soon as he said that, the pharmacy took out the kerashi powder and smeared it on the back of the red man-eating demon. Hyoj! When the cannibal climbed the mountain with a pitiful scream, he got on the clouds and fled to the sky. Well, I got rid of the man-eating demon. The drug seller went down the pass in high spirits. Then, every winter, it began to snow heavily in Shinbo Village, where the drug seller lives. It means that the man-eating demon at that time is making heavy snowfall in revenge. The end.